Suresh is furiously calculating something and counting on his fingers with a pen and paper. His wife Pallavi asks him what makes him so busy early in the day. Suresh tells her that he's trying to arrange money for Palak, his daughter who is getting married in November. Pallavi asks him that why is he getting worried now, as there is still a lot of time left. Suresh says that time flies and November will arrive in no time, and that's why all preparations will have to begin now. Suresh does not understand from where so much money will be arranged and is worried that even after all the savings, 8 lakh rupees are falling short. Pallavi asks him not to worry and reminds him of the life insurance policy that they had bought many years ago. Suresh remembers that they had bought it in 2012. Pallavi asks him to check whether that has matured and if money can be arranged from there. Suresh gets happy as he found out that it is getting completed in August, thinking that now there will be no problem of money. After 7 months, he receives an SMS. Suresh checks his phone and is a bit upset. He starts muttering something. Pallavi asks him what makes him upset. Suresh tells her that the insurance money has come, but it is less than what their insurance agent, Mr. Shukla, had said. Pallavi asks him to talk to the agent. Suresh instantly calls Mr. Shukla and reminds him of the policy that he had taken from him in 2012. Suresh tells Agent Shukla that the maturity amount has come, but asks him that why is the amount so less. Mr. Shukla responds to Suresh's query, saying that tax must have been deducted. Suresh is stunned. He gets angry and asks him why didn't he tell him that tax will also be applicable while making the policy.
Life insurance provides financial security to your family so that they are not left on the streets in your absence. In life insurance, the family gets the benefit of death, that is, benefit in case of death of the person. The maturity benefit is available on completion of tenure in many policies. Suresh got the money on maturity, but not as much as told by the agent. Let us know the answer to Suresh's question, that is insurance taxed?
On buying life insurance, first of all, you have to pay goods and services tax, that is GST, along with the premium. The cheapest form of insurance, that is term insurance, has 18% GST. For example, if you buy a life cover of 1 crore rupees with the annual premium of 20,000 rupees, out of which 3,600 rupees goes towards GST only. If you take a rider as an add-on with a term plan, there is 18% GST on the additional premium as well. Similarly, on traditional policies like endowment and money-back plans, there is a GST of 4.5% on the first year's premium, while 2.25% for the rest of the year. That is 450 rupees for a premium of 10,000 rupees in the first year, and you have to give 225 rupees for the rest of the term.
Now that was all about the tax on the premium of life insurance. Many people believe that the amount received from insurance is tax-free. However, it is not so in every case. Section 10, subsection 10D of the Income Tax Act tells whether the maturity amount received from life insurance policy will be tax-free or not. This is applicable to all three: death, maturity benefits, and bonuses. Before understanding this, let's get to know a little about your policy.
Generally, two types of life insurance are in vogue. First, term insurance, and second, traditional insurance plan, which includes plans like endowment and money back that give the option of return on investment along with insurance cover. In addition to death benefit, sum assured and bonus are available on the maturity of the policy, while pure term insurance plans give only death benefit. One thing to keep in mind is that in all life insurance policies, death benefit means the amount received by the nominee of the deceased is tax-free. Now talking about the tax on the amount received on maturity. Section 10, subsection 10D of the Income Tax Act says that the amount received from life insurance policy issued on or before March 31st, 2003 is exempted from tax. If you have purchased any life insurance on or after April 1st, 2003, whose annual premium is more than 20% of the sum assured, then the amount received on maturity will be taxable. On the other hand, this limit is 10% for policies issued on or after April 1st, 2012. That is, if the premium of a policy purchased after April 1st, 2012 is less than 10% of the sum assured, tax will not have to be paid. Whereas this limit is 15% in case the policy is taken in the name of a person suffering from diseases mentioned in section 80DDB and disabilities mentioned under 80U. This rule is effective from 1st April 2013. TDS on maturity. As per section 194DA, if the maturity amount is not exempted under section 10 subsection 10D, the insurance company will deduct 5% TDS on the maturity amount exceeding 1 lakh rupees. TDS will not be deducted on the entire maturity amount. Rather, TDS will be levied on the remaining amount after deducting the full amount of premium from it. If the condition of section 10 subsection 10D is not fulfilled, then the maturity amount will be added to the income and will be taxed according to the tax slab. You can get refund by mentioning the amount of TDS while filing income tax return.
तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि जब आप कोई भी पॉलिसी खरीदें, चाहे वो सिंगल प्रीमियम पॉलिसी हो या कोई भी हो, उसका जो प्रीमियम आप पे कर रहे हैं वो 10% से ज्यादा ना हो, सम एश्योर्ड का। इसको एग्जाम्पल की तरह समझें तो मान लीजिए आपने 20 लाख रुपए बीमे की पॉलिसी ली है, तो उसका प्रीमियम 2 लाख रुपए से ज्यादा ना हो। 4% लोग हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जो है वो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज को लिए हुए हैं। सबसे कम पेनिट्रेशन है मार्केट के अंदर लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज का, और इसको बढ़ाने की जरूरत है। इसको बढ़ाने के लिए अगर हम सबसे पहले बात करें कि जीएसटी लगता कितना है, तो 18% जीएसटी है नॉर्मल पॉलिसीज के ऊपर। सिर्फ जो आपकी एंडोमेंट पॉलिसीज हैं उनके ऊपर 4.5% जीएसटी लगता है फर्स्ट टाइम, और उसके बाद रिन्यूअल पर 2.25 2.25%। तो बेसिकली जीएसटी का रेट घटाने से बिल्कुल प्रीमियम के रेट पे कमी आएगी और उससे पेनिट्रेशन बढ़ेगा। तो बिल्कुल मैं भी सरकार आपकी इस बात से सहमत हूं और सरकार से इसके लिए रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जीएसटी का रेट इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज पर घटाया जाए। तो इसी तरह से टर्म इंश्योरेंस जो है आपके परिवार को एक सिक्योरिटी देता है बाद में, इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए टर्म इंश्योरेंस के लिए एक अलग से सेक्शन इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए और एक सेपरेट डिडक्शन इसके अंदर मिलना चाहिए। देखिए, जो अच्छा टर्म इंश्योरेंस है, जो 50-55 साल के व्यक्ति जहां तक जाकर के इसको खरीदते हैं, वैसे तो सरकार ने इसको 80 साल तक आगे भी दे दिया है, 75 ईयर्स तक, सॉरी, तो वहां तक दे दिया है। तो मिनिमम जो प्रीमियम वहां आता है वो 50 से 60 हजार रुपए है। तो मेरे ख्याल से 50 हजार रुपए की लिमिट अगर टर्म इंश्योरेंस के लिए सेपरेट सेक्शन में कर दी जाए तो ये बहुत रीजनेबल लिमिट होगी।
Now you understand where Suresh went wrong. If he had known about the section 10 subsection 10D, he would not have been caught in the trap of the insurance agent. Life insurance is also bought to save tax. Tax exemption is available on an investment of up to 1.5 lakh rupees under section 80C. Now under 80C, conditions for deduction are same as under section 10 subsection 10D. COVID has made us understand the need for insurance. The government is also emphasizing on increasing the penetration of insurance, and in such a situation, it is necessary the GST on term insurance should be reduced from 18% to 5%. Insurance companies have also demanded this from the government. It is expected that by taking steps in this direction, the government will give relief to the common man by reducing the tax burden on essential things like insurance.